Every delayed customer support reply increases frustration, churn, and lost revenue. That's where AI powered support makes a real difference. Fluent Support takes this one step further by using AI to assist your support agents, not replace them. Agents can summarize long tickets, detect customer sentiment, and generate accurate replies in seconds while staying fully in control. The result? Faster replies, better clarity, and consistent support quality without removing the human touch. Let me show you how it works in Fluent Support. First, make sure OpenAI is integrated with Fluent Support. You simply paste in your OpenAI access key, choose the model you want to use, and click Connect. That's it. If you want a deeper technical breakdown, you'll find the full documentation linked in the description. But for now, the setup is complete, so let's put AI to work. When an agent opens a ticket, they see the customer's entire 360-degree history in the sidebar. This contextual awareness is how your agents resolved support tickets with a higher resolution rate using the exact system. And once that context is clear, AI takes it a step further. Just look at that long customer ticket just received. It's the secret sauce for slowing everyone down. With Fluent Support, the AI intelligent makes your job easier. Click on the AI button and simply tell the AI to provide you with a ticket summary. Instead of reading everything, agents can jump straight to solving the problem. This might feel like a small improvement on a quiet day, but during high pressure moments like flash sales, launches, or outages, this can be a lifesaver for your support team. Once you understand what the issue is, the next step is understanding how the customer feels. With AI powered sentiment detection, Fluent Support analyzes the tone of the ticket. Is the customer frustrated, happy, or neutral? This allows your team to prioritize emotionally charged tickets, adjust tone before responding, and prevent issues from escalating unnecessarily. It's not just faster support, it's smarter support. Now, let's talk about the part that most people are skeptical about: AI generated replies. And that concern is understandable. AI responses often sound robotic, generic, or disconnected from the real issue. But Fluent Support handles this differently. You get built-in AI prompts designed specifically for a common support scenario. If those don't fit, you can write a custom prompt to get exactly the response you need. And if the result isn't perfect, simply refine the prompt and regenerate. This way, the agent stays in control, but response time drops dramatically. Now, let me share a quick tip with you. You get full visibility into how AI is being used by your team. Every AI action is logged in activities. You get a full breakdown of who used it, which ticket it was for, the token number, and even the exact prompt they used. It's full transparency and total control all in one dashboard. So, if you want to resolve customer support tickets faster in WordPress without sacrificing quality, this is exactly how your support ticketing system should work. While others are still typing replies, you'll already be hitting send with clarity and confidence. Grab Fluent Support at the link given in the description and start resolving tickets faster today. And for more WordPress tips and tricks like this, subscribe to WP Manage Ninja now. See you in the next one!